Welcome back, Building with Zach here, and right now, you might not recognize where I'm standing. My old fort used to be right there. But what's going on now is we are starting to put in and mark out where we want the river to go. So right here is where it's going to start, and we're leaving a good space to like walk behind it, a service area for our fence. So this will be where the water comes out, and it'll go down this hill. We have a perfect slope here, and then right here will be the reservoir where these three coils of pipe will be in the ground, acting as the water keeper. So basically what they're going to do, they are going to hold the water, and the pumps are going to go in the middle of them. Okay, so we had to take down my old fort. I used to make a lot of videos in it, but we had to make room for the water feature, and I'll show you the video of that from yesterday. Okay, so the French drain man dropped off all the rocks, and what we had to do this morning is take all the rocks from the road in his trailer and set them right here so we can put them for the water feed. So right now, guys, we're about to set the first rock. So, we're nearing the end of day 2, and as we're here, we're trying to get the final grade of the first platform done, and after we tamp that down, what we're going to do is we're going to layer a second row of rocks on top of it. And then we'll build up even more dirt, and we'll have a final level of about here, so we'll get a good waterfall. And then, so as we're going, I don't really have a blueprint. I'm just kind of doing what I feel in a sort of way. Just what looks good is what I'm going to do. And then these pipes, it's the Boffman High Octane, is going to go in this pit, and it will be lined with the pond liner so no water can get out. And then the pumps will go back in the middle of the pipe.